So this is the Shark cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, and this is the twin battery model. Let's get into it. It's very slim, it's very lightweight, I have to say. Okay, so we have different parts, different components, attachments. We also have this part here. This is the base. This is the model of the vacuum cleaner. So then here we have the charger and the Hoover itself, and you have two batteries that come with this handheld Hoover, which is really handy because you can charge the other one simultaneously, and you can charge the Hoover itself when it is in place. So that's how you take the battery out, and there we are, that's in charging position. For the attachments, you have two attachments that come with the vacuum cleaner. You have this one over here, and what you have to do is basically just slide it in to the front, and then you can use this, or you can decide to extend it so that it has a brush as well. Okay, so when you're done, pull that out. Ugh. And then you can use this one as well. Okay, and you're done. Pull that out. Now the Hoover will predominantly be used inside a car, and so we will use it inside a car just to see how well it deals with more fibrous textures, something more similar to carpet. Thankfully the battery lasts for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing us a decent amount of time to give it a test in a more realistic environment. Barely anything really, which I'm impressed of. Just to clarify, that background noise is just road work, it's not the car itself, although I wouldn't be surprised considering it's a Jaguar. Anyway, so here's the boot. I did find some weird stains, so I sprayed it with some upholstery cleaner. Onto the rear passenger sides. I think this attachment here is particularly apt for smaller and more awkward places. After simply attaching that piece onto the end of the Hoover, you can decide to use this without the brush, simply by folding it down just like that. On we go again. Gives it a little bit more suction. That's as clean as it's probably going to get. Okay, so overall this is a very useful, handy little machine. It's got good suction and decent battery power, and it's fairly simple to use as well. I mean, with everything you need to kind of figure out where the bits and bobs go, and how to deal with the attachments and stuff like that, and the changing the filters, but honestly that's something that you learn as you get to use the product. So yeah, and currently it's on Amazon for $129.99, which is a limited time deal. I picked it up for $140, but it went back to $179.99. So $129.99. I think it is worth it, and it does really make cleaning your car out a very nice and quick job. I hope that was insightful for anyone looking at this product, and make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I shall catch you in another video. Peace.